Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add page margins in Microsoft Word. So get ready started. At first, open your Word document file. In this video, I will show that add page margins. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Now click on the page number option. Now select from the page margin. Now select from the NSUS margin from, then show the ascend bar left and ascend bar right. Now click for the ascend bar left option. That's it. Then show add page number. Add page margins in Microsoft Word is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.